have the underside skirt that extends forward, so we're going to need to be able to recreate that. So we're going to start by getting our nose shape correct. So it should come up like that's a nose right there, that line right there. You can see it right there, that. So we can kind of guess where it needs to go. I'm going to shrink that down a little more. I'm going to put it just about like that. That's what I'm going with. This is one of those where you can go into more detail, find some pictures of the car. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do that, call it good. Alright, so for the underskirt, we want to extend right where the nose starts to come up. So this face is going to be the forward face that we're choosing, because the nose starts to go up there. And we're going to highlight everything on the bottom of the car, just like that. Press E, and I'm going to press Z to make sure it comes down straight, and just extrude it right there, and then Shift D, make it completely flat. Hide our mirror modifier and get rid of all these faces. This can be a little bit tedious. There we go. That looks pretty good. Alright, so now you can see we have this line of faces at the bottom. That's what we're going to use to extrude outward where we need it. So on the front, grab these and we're just going to extrude it forward. Probably right to about there. Select these outside ones, just drag that in, add a control loop back here, add one up here, and then now add one here. Bring that back. Cool, we'll leave that. Alright, for the back, we start right here, and everything back here, that's what we're selecting. So I'm going to select that, so I know to start at this face. Click that one, everything all the way back. Like that, press 7. Then I'm going to press E, just extrude it out a little bit, S, and then press X and press 0. And just drag that out a little bit. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing we did with the car. We're going to follow this line right here. So I'm adding a control loop right there. Select all these, just drag it in. And then I'm going to hold Alt and I'm going to click on that vertical line right there. You could click on any of them, but it'll select the entire edge loop, and I want that to be flat, so Shift E, drag it all the way out. This right here also needs to be flat, so I'm going to hide that so I can see it. Select all these and flatten those. Okay, I did make a mistake here. You don't want the vertical lines to be selected, so let's undo that. Just shrink back down, go into our line selecting mode, and I can select the edge loops based on the lines. Cool. That looks pretty. We'll do that. This. Do about this. Here's what we're gonna do about this little lip here that I have accidentally created. We're just gonna drag this back to create a little slope. Select these two lines here. Flatten those. Good enough. Okay. So what we have left for the body of the car is the cockpit. Fairly simple. I do the same thing on my aircraft. We're going to select everything that needs to be essentially hollowed out. Should be everything up to there. Let me. Okay. I'm going to press. I'm actually going to apply the mirror modifier first. Okay. So you apply it, and then we're going to press I. We're just going to inset that a little bit. Then I'm going to press E, I'm going to press Z, and we're going to go straight down. And then I'm going to press S, I'm going to press Z again, and I'm going to press 0 on the numpad, flatten that out. And yeah, there we are. To extrude the front portion, where the driver's legs go, I'm going to add a control loop here. Select the faces on the front. And just extrude those forward. And then you can use the Shift E technique to straighten these out a little bit. And then if we use our smooth, shade smooth, there's our chassis, I guess you could say. So anyways, hopefully this helped you out a little bit. I'm gonna stop here because going through everything would probably be either a super long video or a multiple stage video. If there is other parts of the car that you want to know how to make or other questions, I'm happy to answer. You can find me on Discord. Some of my videos, I'll put a link in this one, have my Discord server in it. So anyways, if you guys learned something, like, subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.